Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I have this cute little Memory-Dex card to share with you. And before we go on, I'd like to remind you to hit that notification bell so you can join me for my upcoming videos. And if you give me that thumbs up, it would be greatly appreciated. So anyway, this little Memory-Dex card is a mini bookcase, and I made this following a tutorial by Jen Cascell. And she recreated this into a cute little Memory-Dex card from a larger bookcase that was created by Craft Purge. I hope I'm getting that right. I made the base of this a long time ago, and I'm not sure I can totally remember, but anyway, I'll put the link to Jen's tutorial below, and then you can follow her links to find where you need to go to see the original. So anyways, just a fun, cute idea, and I've been wanting to make one for a long time, and I know they did this as a swap with Loaded Envelope Galore and more, and I had to opt out at the last minute because my daughter, who I hadn't seen in over a year, had an unexpected visit. So I was like, oh, okay, well, dang it. But anyway, so I'm making one now. I'm probably going to give it away, but I think it just came out so cute. And the papers that I've used, okay, I have to back up a little bit. I've been trying to clean out my craft room. I've had things in boxes in various parts of the house for quite a few years. We've had people move in and out, and I'm finally kind of getting, an empty house now. So, and my husband built me a room, and so I'm trying to, get that organized. And I've given a ton of stuff away. I've given boxes and boxes of stuff away. Because there was a time there when I wasn't crafting for a while. And so I just have too much stuff. So some things I'm like, okay, if I can't make something with this in the next few months, then it's going. But I ended up being able to make this, and I'm so glad I did. It's so cute. But anyway, I used a snap pack from Simple Stories. I don't even know if they make those anymore. I enjoy making snap albums. I haven't made one for a while, and so I don't know if they do have those anymore. But what a snap pack is it's a bunch of cards like that you would put into those little page pockets or pocket pages. Did I say that backwards? Pocket pages, and like 4x6, 3x4, 4x4, on down to 2x2. So, and then they did include a little bit of ephemera to go with the paper. So that's what I used. I didn't need a big piece of paper because the largest sheet is this here, and it's 4¼ by 3. And so I've used a different paper here. So that's the largest size of paper that you need. So you can use your scraps for this project. That's kind of a fun idea. And so anyway, I used that. I wish I could tell you the name of the collection, but I am fairly certain it is not available anymore. I bought it on clearance at Michael's, I believe, the snap pack. So anyway, well, I've already showed you up close the little ephemera pieces here. Just so cute. I've added this rickrack and a little bow. I followed Jen's recommendation, and I added the little dangles on the spine here. And these little books or little book boxes are just so dang cute. I've used magnetic closures on mine because I didn't have any Velcro, but the magnets work just fine. I have little teeny tiny ones that I order from K&J Magnetics, and then I have these little word beads here, and these I got at Michael's, and you can see I've even had enough paper and then some to decorate inside the box. So tried to color coordinate the boxes a little bit, like just add, kind of keep it in the same color theme. I just thought that would be fun. I don't know, maybe it's just a just a nerdy thing that I have where I wanted it color coordinated, but I was using this little jar to prop it up, but it doesn't want to stay. I guess I should have found something that was around. And then, so this is the little orange box, and I made this little bead dangle here. I think it's so cute. And then this is just a charm that I got on Amazon, these little flower charms. And I cut a strip of one of the cards for this cute little strap here. And then this is just filled with those, and again, I've covered the bottom there. And this is just those little crystal orb fairy baubles or whatever. And then this yellow one here, call this my yellow box. Another, I did that same thing. I made this little butterfly strip as the closure, and I've got a little butterfly bead on here, and another little bead dangle that I made. And then this one here has clothespins. So I don't know if you can see, it's got the yellow paper on the bottom. So I kept it very color coordinated. So anyway, but that's it. I've got this cute little journaling card on the back here, the 4x6. Added a piece of ephemera here. Some ephemera on the back. And anyway, even put paper on the bottom there. I had it, might as well use it, and plus I love that finished look of having everything covered with design paper. So anyway, I'm really happy with the way it turned out. I think it's super, super cute. I don't want to part with it, actually. I'm kind of, sometimes when I make things, I get kind of selfish and motherly over the project. I don't know if any of you else feel that way. You know, I'm sure I'll get over it, you know. You know, because I don't need to keep everything that I make, which I don't. I don't keep everything I make, but in fact, I give a lot of it away, I think. But anyway, so right now I'm feeling very, you know, protective over it, and I don't want to give it away, but I probably will. So I'll just have to make another one for myself, right? So anyway, thanks for watching, and don't forget, hit that notification bell and thumbs up, please. And I'll catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.